Well, we're in L'Hospitalet just after the end of the group stage, and Union Olimpia have got themselves through to the semi-final. Very close it was. They needed to lose by 5 or fewer in the final game against Asvel and ended up losing by 3, so just made it in. Now the star of the show, although I'm sure he's going to be too modest to say that, Blaž Mesišek, who top scored in every game for Union, is with us now. Blaž, you must be all very happy to be into the semi-finals tomorrow.
Yeah, of course, I'm very happy. We didn't win today, but I'm very happy because we will play against Real Madrid. We know that Real Madrid is a great team, like Barcelona and Juventud, Sevilla, Galatasaray, everyone.
And the experience of playing against Real Madrid and another young player, you know, Doncic on Real Madrid, is that an exciting thing for you tomorrow?
Yeah, of course. Doncic is a great player. We all know that he's a great shooter. He has penetration, everything, defense. He's a very good player. We will see tomorrow.
And we talk about the game you've just played. You had to lose by 5 points or less. How much was that in your mind towards the end when it was very close?
Before the game, we just want to win. But then in fourth quarter, we were thinking about this. And in the end, we have a little bit, we were lucky because this, I don't know, number 4 had shoot for the win, but he missed.
And you played some great games for your team. 18 points in the game we've just seen. Nice for you to play an important role in an important game.
I don't know. For me, it's more important that we are in semi-final.
And the first game, though, here that we must talk about, when you beat Badalona, that was the important game for you. You won by 6, and you scored 26 points and 14 rebounds, I think, 6 assists, an index rating of 46. Must be one of your best games ever.
Yeah, I don't know. It was my day. I don't know. Really, I scored everything.
And tell us a little about yourself. You're 17. How long have you been with Union, and how do you see your future now?
Now this is my second year in Union Olimpia, and for the future, I don't know. I just try to be better every practice, every week, year. That's it.
And what do you try to improve? We can see you score a lot of points already. What do you try to make better in your game?
Defense, of course. Defense. Everything. Shoot, of course. Shoot. That's it. Shoot.
And this tournament, how important is it for young players like you to come and play against teams from other countries and to travel with your team to a venue like this?
Yeah, it's very important for us because we can't play every day with Real Madrid, Barcelona, and teams like that. It's very important for us.
Okay, well, thank you, and good luck tomorrow. We hope we'll see you in the final.
Thank you.